Alright, so the next thing I'm going to work on is installing a CB radio. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it back in here from the overhead MOLLE panel. So we'll get started. Alright, so there's the CB radio mounted into place. So I got to run power down. So it's one of the reasons I decided to do this was since I already have the windshield down, I could run the wires like I did for the S-Pod, where I could run it down through the windshield frame, down the A-pillar, and into the engine compartment. I also need to do the antenna cable, so I'm going to get that hooked up, start routing these things. I think I need to extend these wires to get all the way to the battery, but we'll get that rolling here. Alright, so we got the CB installed, ready to go pretty much. I need to figure out a better attachment for the microphone. And then one other thing left to do. So I've got my antenna cable routed back here to the bed rack. And I need to fabricate a bracket to attach the antenna. So we'll fabricate a bracket to mount on here and bring the antenna out so that it will clear the rooftop tent. And we'll get that all attached up and we'll be all set. Alright, so that's it for this episode. Got a couple more things to do on the Gladiator, so stay tuned. There'll be some more videos coming. Thanks for tuning in.